Hello, my name is Steven. I'm the industrial technician here at BH Blackinton. I've been working with the FlexBadge since the beginning, and today I'm going to demonstrate how to properly apply a FlexBadge to a garment. In my demonstration today, I'll be using the George Knight EK8 with bottom heat and a Blauer polo shirt. So the first thing we're going to do is turn on the heat press. That's done with a simple flip of the switch on the back of the control box unit. And what's going to pop up is the temperature that the bottom platen is currently at. And before we make any more adjustments to the heat press, I'm going to have us reference the packet slip and inspection certificate form. This is a form that you receive whenever you order FlexBadges through Blackinton, and it's going to be specific to the apparel that you're applying the FlexBadge to. So about 3/4 of the way down the page, you're going to see the heat press settings, and these are our recommended settings for the apparel. And we're going to use these for our demonstration. So I'm going to set the heat press at 265. Let it run for 20 seconds and use 3 turns of pressure. So let's first adjust the temperature. We're going to do that by hitting the temp button. We'll see that it's currently at 245 degrees. We're going to use the up arrow to change that to 265. Alright, once we're at 265, we're going to hit the temp button again, and our heat press is now set at 265 degrees. The next thing we're going to adjust is the timer, and as you can see, that's at 10 seconds. We need that to be 20 seconds. So we're going to use the up arrow and just push that to 20. Alright, so our timer is now set. The last thing we need to adjust is the pressure. So we're going to bring down this lever here all the way. We're going to notice a rotation indicator mark on this black knob. We want to make sure that this is between 12 and 1 o'clock, and you should not be able to move this knob clockwise at all. So once you're here, you're going to want to take the rotation indicator mark and line it up parallel with the metal frame behind it. And at this point, we can make our 360 degree rotations counterclockwise. So I'm going to do that now. It's 1, 2, and 3. So your pressure's now set. The top and bottom platens have come closer together, and we're going to lift the lever up. So the beep that you just heard was indicating that our desired temperature was met. So we're actually ready to apply the FlexBadge. Alright, so we're going to take our polo shirt, open it up, and place it on the bottom platen here. And when you're doing this, you want to be sure that your desired location on the shirt is centered on this platen. So I want to put it at top left chest, which is the standard. I just want it to be flat, centered on this platen. So I'm going to grab my FlexBadge, take off the plastic, place it on, nice and centered. Put the white cushion right on top, drop the lever, hear the clunk, that means the timer started, and it's going to take 20 seconds, so we'll wait. And you want to be right at the machine when it's done so you can take it off as quickly as possible. And down there you're going to hear a beep when it hits 0. And there's your beep. We're going to lift the lever up, move the white cushion, remove the shirt. And we're going to lay this down on the table here. We're going to let this cool for 5 minutes. And once the 5 minutes is up, we can repackage the shirt, but just be sure not to crease the FlexBadge during that process. And if you're going to conduct a pull test or a strength test, please wait 30 minutes because that's the full cure time of the FlexBadge. And that's all there is to it. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, feel free to call Blackinton. Have a good day.